Guys, I'm exploring an abandoned park. Everything looks really creepy and is really worn down. I'll show you the bathroom. This bathroom looks like it hasn't been even touched in years. Hold on, I gotta run. Look at this monstrosity. Just looking at it, the smell. It smells like someone died in there. Guys, I'm freaking out. Looks like people from like 100 years ago played horseshoes. I bet someone died playing horseshoes. You know what's really, really creepy about this place? Everything looks so worn down. There's even, you can see it way over there. There is a swing set with no swings on it. Looks like it hasn't been touched in ever. What's really creepy though is that how this playground is so new. I haven't seen anybody come up in here in years. Look at these tires. Who would even play on these things? Ah! I don't even know what that was, guys. I think there might be something here. Something in the woods. I think there's something in here. No? Maybe that one. This grass is so disgusting growing on the sand. It's been like run down for years. No one even takes care of it anymore. What is that? Guys, it's moving on its own. Guys, I'm scared. Whose speaker is that? That wasn't here before. Guys, it's still spinning. I'm really scared. My mom left me here alone. She dropped me off like an hour ago and things are really freaking me out. I don't even know. No way. Guys, I'm really scared. If you see this, call 911. Tell them my location. I don't know if I'll make it out alive. Guys, I'm really paranoid. I really think that something's gonna get me here. I'm gonna look under the tires again. Do you hear that? Someone's whistling at me. Oh no, there you go. I'm really paranoid right now. What's that? You guys saw that, right?